Welcome back. Look at this question. The diagram below shows a region R bounded by three lines, L1, 2, and 3. You can have it. From this, form the three inequalities that satisfies the given region R. So we are going to look at all the major three parts. So to start with the first one, which is L1. So we are going to identify any 2 points in L1. So and at this point, if I look at the x-axis, it is 7, and on the y-axis, it is hitting to be 8 somewhere here. You can take any point, or let me just take a general point, which, for example, we have 7, and the y we have 8. Any other 2 points in L1, we can take any point. Maybe here, we have 6 on the x-axis, and 7 on the y-axis. So 6 and 7. So I'm going to find the gradient. Therefore, I'm going to take the change in y over change in x, which is 8 minus 7 over 7 minus 6. You take this minus this, then this and this. So I'll be having 1 over 1, which is 1. Then from there, I find the equation of the gradient, which is y minus any of the point x minus 7 is equals to the gradient, which is 1. So if I make that as a subject, it will be y minus 8 is equals to x minus 7. So collecting the like terms, I'll have y minus x. Then if I bring this the other side, it will be is equals to 1. Therefore, looking at that equation, it means that x minus y should be less than or equal to 1. I'll apply the same. So that is the first equation for L1. For the L2, it is an easier one because it's a straight line cutting through the x-axis. So that one is an easier answer. However, it is good maybe to show how are you getting the answer. I'm going to take any 2 points. I'm going to start with that point as 4, 0, and maybe the point here as 4, 2. So the same thing, I find the gradient, which is 0 minus 2, and on the other side, I'll have 4 minus 4, so I'll be having a negative 2 over 0, which is infinity. Therefore, y minus 0 over x minus 4 should give me negative 2 over 0. If I cross multiply, all this side will go because of 0. So I'll be having 0 is equals to minus 2x plus 8. Collect the like terms together. So I'll be having negative 8 is equals to negative 2x. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 4. Therefore, to satisfy this inequality, I'll say that x is less than or equal to 4. And you can see it is cutting on the line 4. Then on the last equation, for the L3, I also do the same. I look at the point L3. I take any point. For this point here, I have 6 and 0. And maybe a point here where they are meeting, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we are going to have the gradient, which is 0 minus 2 and 6 minus 2. I have negative 2 all over 4, which is negative a half. Therefore, if I find the gradient, I'll say y minus 2 over x minus 2 is equals to, I cross multiply, so I'll have y minus 2 is equals to, it should be 2y and 4 here, then x minus 2. Collecting the like terms, I'll be having 2y minus x. I bring the other one on the other side, so that I have is equals to 2. It will be a positive here because of a negative is positive. So this side I'll be having 6. Therefore, 2y minus x is greater than or equal to 6. So I have the first equation there, the second equation, and the third equation that satisfy that inequality. This is form to work, just linear inequalities, and form 4 they call it linear programming. Thank you very much. In case of any question, write it down.